Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome web browser. Let's jump straight into it guys. So this will only works in normal browsing mode in Google Chrome. If you are using incognito mode, you will not be able to restore closed tabs because it's not supposed to be able to remember your history once you closed out of it. For example, if you closed this tab, for example YouTube tab, close on it, and if you want to reopen it, just right click on the top bar and select reopen closed tab, or you can also alternatively open this by pressing your keyboard Ctrl plus Shift plus T. You can also click on this and it will be reopened back guys. That's all you have to do it guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.